Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my forge shop. It is not a forge shop yet because we are missing the forge. The forge now looks something like this. That's the crucible of the forge. We have to put some holes in it and add some air intake, and that's it. So we will be using that crucible. After that, an old fire extinguisher, of course empty. We are going to cut it in half and use the bottom portion as a connecting piece between two functions of the forge, and that is air intake and ash dumping mechanism. After all preparation, the thing will look something like this. So let's get started. Pieces are ready. It's not caught on camera because I ran out of space, but now we can start welding. Yeah, awesome. I've tripped the circuit breaker because 10 amps is not enough for the welder. Now I'm plugged in stronger one so I can continue. Behind me you can see table in which the forge will be placed. I've welded it behind the camera from some scrap pieces and 8 by 8 millimeters steel rods. This thing you saw me make is the forge itself, and it is going to be placed in the table like this. The only thing that is missing is the desk of the table, which I will make from some metal sheets. Okay, the forge is done. Yay! Now I'm running out of time, so we are gonna light it up and see what we've got. The forge is running, the steel is getting red hot, and I've made my first step towards being a blacksmith. Thank you for watching and see you in some later video. Bye bye!